In this study psychology, we discover that the universal symbol of the display is the pitchfork. The penultimate letter of the Greek alphabet, psi, is represented by the symbol for psychology. It is also the first letter of the Greek word psyche, which means mind or soul, and from which the term psyche originated. This gave rise to the name of the discipline of psychology, which is most commonly defined as the study of the mind.
The 23rd letter in Greek alphabet is psi or ancient Greek. Its value in the Greek numeral system is 700. The Phoenician alphabet gave rise to letters around the 7th century. The loop and line combinations that forms the symbol itself is believed to have originated from the Phoenicians' letter O.
About the turn of 20th century, psi is thought to have been symbolically adopted by psychology. The phonetic relationship between the letter and the Greek word psyche, which means mind or soul, two fundamental concepts in psychology, contributed to the letter's adoption.
So in terms of professional importance, the psi symbol is currently widely utilized in a variety of psychology contexts. It is mentioned in scholar publications and textbooks, and it's representative of numerous global psychological associations. The discipline commitment to comprehending the human mind and behavior is symbolized by its acceptance.
The symbol of the psychology, cultural and conceptual significance. In terms of mythological roots, psyche, a divinity personifying the human soul in Greek mythology, is where the name psyche first appeared by connecting the symbol to the study of human awareness and human emotion. This mythical linkage enhances the symbol's psychological importance.
In the contemporary era, the psi symbol serves as both a sign of psychology discipline and a means of identification for both practitioners and learners. It frequently denotes a dedication to systematic investigations and real-world implementations of psychological concepts. For more information, sir, so this logo is made by our effort as a Promethean group. And as you can see, it is a logo of psychology, and we made this. And by the excellence of ideas of our group, they also say that it is better for us to put color gold in this sculpture because gold is the symbol of wealth and success, and it is also commonly associated with prestige, influence, and prosperity. And that's all.
Wow.